Today in SERDNA TALK, we're going to talk about forbearance, things you need to know during these strange and dark times. If your mortgage is backed by the government with any of these entities, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA, USDA, then supposedly you're allowed to stop making payments if you're having financial issues. They also say that you have the right to request forbearance up to 180 days, and maybe you can request an additional 180 days so that you can get back on your feet. Basically, you can stop making payments for almost one full year, and they also say that this will not affect your credit score and it doesn't have any additional or hidden fees. You don't need to submit any documents that support that you're having financial issues at the moment, and if you already own a property or two or three or more, and if due to the coronavirus you believe you will be behind on your mortgage payments, be careful, especially since you will be dealing with banks, and believe it or not, they don't have a heart or a soul. All they have is greed and the power to foreclose on your property, and we don't want that. Probably you have heard on the news or read on the internet or in newspapers about the wonderful forbearance programs, and like I said at the beginning of this video, be careful. Loan servicers are selling this as the best solution ever, and of course it is. It's the best way to open the door to the path of foreclosures, and banks love that. Supposedly forbearance can help you get back on track during these hard and dark times, and this is not easy for 99% of us, especially if we could end up losing it all. So pay close attention, be alert, since your ability to make the right decision will dictate the rest of your life. Remember that the mortgage servicer is the company that sends you the mortgage statements every month and the one who manages your loan. The loan servicer can allow you to stop making payments on your loan for a limited period of time, but make sure not to forget this. Forbearance programs does not erase your debt at all. It will not erase what you owe, and eventually you will have to repay everything that you owe or else. If you're able to keep making payments, please make them. If not, you will lose your property. Remember to talk to your loan servicer and always request a document that shows the terms of the forbearance if you decide to move forward. One advice: ask 100 million questions. Ask if the loan terms can be changed so that the missed payments are added to the end of your mortgage. Ask if you will owe the entire unpaid amount in a lump sum once your forbearance period has ended. Also, be aware that you will become the target to fishy text messages, fraudulent calls, and emails. You will be the perfect target for scammers. And just remember that the last housing crisis was created by the banks, so be careful. Talk to your mortgage servicer, and if you have any questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA TALK and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.